we are headed up to go ahead and get the tires and rims that are right behind me here put on the Mustang today. So it's an exciting day. Ready to go ahead and go and see what happens here. So I'll take you along for the ride. Alright, so guys, welcome back here. I just went ahead and got back home after getting the tires done. Couldn't get the alignment done today. Come to find out I have bad ball joints, so I got to go ahead and get a couple new ball joints coming for it and get that done first, and then we'll get the alignment and make sure everything's all right with the caster camber plates and the new bump steer kit and everything that's on here. But here we go, guys. First reveal, first look with the Nittos on. Now the tires still got to be cleaned up because I just went ahead and got back here, but here we go. The new reveal. Look at those. Oh, I love it. Love the stance. I love how it's sitting. Love that deep dish right there. That lip sticking out. Okay, coming back through. Looking right there. Again, everything looks great. Love it. So again, guys, like I said, wasn't able to get the alignment and everything done, but overall I'm really happy. New set of tires on here, the Nitto 555 G2s, front and back, 275s in the rear, 245s up front. You know, I'm really happy with those. First time this had new tires on it since 2004. So you know, I'm really excited. Really like the tread pattern here. So go ahead and get a look down here what the tread pattern looks like underneath. And yeah, so I'm liking it a lot, guys. All right, so thanks again for joining us. This is a real short video, but you know, we'll go ahead and got some more content coming out, got some more things to be done. You know, some different things we'll be working on in over the course of the spring and summer here on the Mustang, and trim wise, and you know, molding around the window, the quarter window and everything back there, getting that fixed up. Some different things. So all right, so make sure you stay tuned. Please go ahead and like, share, subscribe. Okay, and this has been Fox Shoe 5.0. Talk to you guys soon.